Hi there, my name is Kathy Salmon and I'm a real estate agent with Easy Home Search Real Estate located in Fall River, Mass. And today I'm going to share with you my top 10 secrets for selling your house. And if you stay to the very end, you'll get my bonus tip. Today I'm going to share with you my top 10 secrets for selling your house. If you like what you see on this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more of these types of informational videos, please hit the subscribe button and the bell and you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Now, even though we're in a seller's market where inventory is scarce and bidding wars are common, it still pays to invest some time and energy into positioning your home to sell for top dollar. This can involve a variety of steps, from working with a real estate agent who truly understands the local market to spending some money on key renovations and improvements that will encourage buyers to pay a higher asking price. These top 10 secrets for selling your home will separate you from the competition and help you sell for more money. So let's get going. Selling secret number 1, find a trusted agent. You want to work with a skilled agent. You want someone that knows your local market inside and out. Hiring the wrong agent can be a sale killer. You want to make sure that you have an agent that's professional and well informed. You want someone that monitors the multiple listing service on a regular basis. This way, they know what properties are going on the market and they know your comparables in the neighborhood. Last, you want someone that's technology savvy, someone that has multiple tools up their sleeve that they can use to get your house sold. Selling secret number 2, price your home right. Find out what your home is worth and price it accordingly. This is crucial for the success of the sale of your home. This is where you need a good realtor and someone who knows your market. Using the comparables in your market, your realtor can determine the right listing price. And keep in mind that if the home is priced right, it will attract more buyers. If the price is too high, it will deter buyers, even from wanting to see the house. So be sure to price it right. Selling secret number 3, invest in value-added improvements. Keep in mind, the number 1 room in a house for a buyer is the kitchen. The kitchen is what is selling the house, and so there are many benefits to remodeling your kitchen. This is the room where if you do remodel and spend the money, you'll probably get back 85% of your investment. The remodeling could be a few $1,000s, maybe to replace counters or floors, but it's worth it. If a buyer sees that a kitchen is outdated, they're going to go ahead and take money off the asking price. A good paint job or new cabinet hardware, these are the 2 fastest and most inexpensive kitchen updates. And it's always a good idea to check on the appliances. If you have some extra money, buy some new stainless steel appliances. Any of these upgrades, you want to discuss this with your realtor. They have the experience to know what's going to work in your particular situation and get you the best return on your investment. Now, I understand that trying to figure out which improvements can be so overwhelming. You don't have to do a huge makeover. What I always suggest for value-added improvements are things like a new fresh coat of paint, clean the carpets. If the garage door is broke, fix it. Resurface the kitchen cabinets. And if you have hardwood floors that need refinishing, refinish them. Clean the curtains or go buy some new inexpensive ones. Replace door handles, again the kitchen cabinet hardware. Make sure the closet doors are on track. Fix the leaky faucets or clean the grout. Also keep in mind the bathroom. That's another important area. It's actually the second most important room in the house. Maybe change out the vanity and the sink. Replace the shower curtain or the shower doors. Take a look at the floor. Does it need to be replaced? Just keep in mind the bathroom and the kitchen are the money rooms. What I always suggest to my sellers is to put together a budget. And then we meet go through the house and the projects, and we see what's going to make the biggest difference to get the house sold at the best price and with the best return. Selling secret number 4, up your curb appeal. Because the first impression is the only impression. You don't want to overlook your curb appeal. You want to make sure that your front lawn is free of any debris. No matter how good the interior of your home looks, buyers have already judged your home before they walk through the door. Keep in mind, you never have a second chance to make a first impression. It's important to make people feel warm, welcome, and safe. Some easy updates that really improve curb appeal include things like touching up exterior paint, adding window flower boxes, installing a new mailbox. Maybe put some rich-looking mulch around the shrubs and the trees. This could really bring out the beauty of the house. And in most cases, you can typically get back 100% return on the money you put into your home's curb appeal. Oh, and don't forget your entryway. Make it welcoming. Try putting in a small bench, maybe a vase of fresh flowers, or even some cookies. Selling secret number 5, consider getting a pre-listing inspection. Investing in an inspection done by a professional home inspector prior to listing can help avoid any unexpected surprises. You're better off knowing beforehand if there are any issues in the house that you weren't aware of. Things like a leak in the basement, or maybe a leak in the bathroom vanity, or maybe there's some electrical issues. This way, you can fix any of these issues before the buyer finds out during their inspection. Keep in mind that any issues will give a buyer more negotiating power, or worse, the ability to back out of the deal. Believe me, it's really worth the extra money to avoid these headaches. Selling secret number 6. Talk to your realtor about hiring a professional photographer. A professional photographer is able to highlight the positive features of the house. Believe me, hiring a professional photographer goes a long way towards selling your house. Keep in mind, these days, people are house hunting online. And besides the location and the price, they're looking at the photos. If the photos are done right, they'll get the buyer's attention and possibly sell it faster. You could lose a potential buyer because of bad photos. Selling secret number 7, empty out the closets as much as possible, even if you leave in just half of what you had in the closets. Keep in mind that buyers are always looking for storage, and for them there's never enough. Take out at least half of the items and put them in boxes, and maybe store it in the basement. Think of it this way, you're going to have to pack anyway, so now's the time to start getting this done. Then what you want to do is neatly organize what's left in the closets. Be aware that as buyers are going through the home, they are opening up the doors for the closets and the cabinets. Be sure to keep all your closets and cabinets clean and tidy. Selling secret number 8, show off the light in the house. For a buyer, the location is number 1, and number 2 is good light. It's the one thing that every buyer says they want in a house. So take down the drapes, clean the windows, change the lampshades, increase the wattage in your light bulbs, and if you can, cut the bushes outside to let in the sunshine. You want to make your house bright and cheery. It will make it more sellable. Selling secret number 9, conceal the pets. Now, keep in mind, I'm a huge animal lover, but not all buyers are cat and dog lovers. Buyers don't want to walk in your home and see a bowl full of dog food, smell the kitty litter box, or get pet hair on their clothes. It sometimes gives the buyers the impression that your house isn't clean. Selling secret number 10, depersonalize your house. You want to take the home out of your house, meaning that you want a buyer to be able to imagine themselves living in the house, but with your personal items in there, most buyers are unable to do that. They get a little distracted with your personal items. Once again, you're going to have to start packing, so now's the time to start thinking about packing these personal items. These are things like family photos, memorabilia collections, and personal keepsakes. Put them in a box and neatly store them, maybe in the garage or the basement, and if you don't have enough room, think about getting a storage unit. One of the things to consider is a home stager. This is something you may want to talk to your realtor about. This could potentially maximize the full potential of your home. What stagers do is they arrange your furniture to best showcase the floor plan and maximize the use of the space. Now, we've reviewed my top 10 secrets for selling a house, and we've made it to the bonus tip. So here is my bonus tip. Always be ready to show. Be sure that your house is always ready to show at all times because you never know when your buyer is going to be walking through. And be sure it's in tip-top shape. Once again, first impressions. Don't leave dishes in the sink. Clean off the countertops. Be sure the dishwasher's empty. Clean the bathrooms. Take everything off the vanity. Vacuum. Get rid of all the dust bunnies, including under the bed. It might be a little work, however, it will pay in the long run. Thank you so much for spending the time watching this video on my 10 top secrets for selling a house. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and you'll see more of these informational videos. And if you live in Massachusetts or Rhode Island and you're thinking about selling your house, or you still have some questions, or you're looking for an agent, please feel free to contact me. My email address is in the link below. I'd love to talk to you or help you any way I can. So thank you again, and I'll see you at the next video.